beer side dishes are always so much fun and great addition. So today we are going to make beer battered mushrooms. They are packed with flavors and insanely crunch. It's just so hard to stop snacking them. This recipe is delicious, simple, and you can make it in less than 10 minutes. Fill half of small pot with frying oil and heat the oil to 180 degrees. Meanwhile, let's take a basket of champignon or portobello mushrooms. If you can, choose small mushrooms because they cooked much better. Wash the mushrooms well and they dry them as much as you can. Now cut a stem. To prepare the batter, put in the bowl 3/4 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of corn flour, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of paprika, and half teaspoon of ground chili. Pour 3/4 cup of good beer. Add the beer gradually and stir carefully until you get smooth butter. Add the mushrooms to the bowl with the butter and roll it until the mushrooms absorb the butter from every side. Carefully transfer it to the hot oil and then fry them until they are golden on all sides. When it's ready, move them to plate with towel paper to absorb the oil. If you want to add kick to the dish, chop fresh basil and then spread it nicely. Now add a bit of lemon zest. Pour a good beer, dip the mushrooms in sauce you like and enjoy it. If you want to learn how to make amazing vegan sauces, soon we'll create free course. You will find the link in the description down below, so sign up and upgrade your dishes.